Hi, and welcome to this short video tutorial where we will show you how to generate your safeMedicate Certificate of Completion. Your CPD Certificate of Completion is auto-generated by our system on successful completion of the CPD activity. Note that all pages are downloadable and printable. Okay, let's begin. First, we need to click on My Record on the menu bar to open your personal record. In order to generate your certificate, you must score 100% in a summative assessment scheduled by your healthcare organisation, association or trust that covers all medication domains included in the module. On the lower section of the screen, click directly on the name of the module you have been studying to open its panel. Next, complete your CPD feedback. So in the CPD section at the lower left, you will now see two buttons. First, you can select Complete CPD Feedback to enable you to complete a reflective account of your learning that will be printed along with your certificate. Your reflective account will enable you to document how the CPD activity relates to and has informed your professional practice. This can be added to your CPD portfolio and used as evidence in a CPD audit by an employer, professional institute or regulator, or select Leave CPD Feedback Later to print your certificate, though the reflective account will not be included. Just write to the date that you completed your CPD, you will see two icons. Click on the one highlighted on screen now, which will take you through to your printing options. Note that there will be 2 pages to print, both your certificate and your assessment summary. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with a member of the team via our help desk.